Uy, Ding!
Let's play Pinoy Henyo. Yes.
Okay, sure. Ako manghula?
Yes.
Sige, go.
Okay.
Ano yan? Didikit ko ba? Sige, ito na lang. Okay. Okay, so, location to, syempre, di ba?
Yes.
So, yung location ba na to ay gumagawa sila ng mga products na versatile?
Yes.
Okay. Yung mga products ba nila ay lightweight?
Yes.
Makeup ba to?
No.
Sayang. So, hindi siya makeup. Okay, yung mga products ba nila, do they offer lifestyle convenience?
Yes.
Oh my God, wait lang. Parang alam ko na to.
Go.
Yung mga products ba nila ay nagagamit for keeping food?
Yes.
Wait, alam ko na to.
Ano?
SKZ Plastic Manufacturing Corporation?
Yes.
Oh, sabi mo. At dahil dyan, welcome to Direct Tales! Welcome back again to Direct Tales. This is Sandra and today we're here at SKZ Plastic Manufacturing Corp where we will be having our kick-off meeting with them as they acquired Direct Business Technologies Inc. as their Oracle NetSuite provider. Alam niyo ba na ang SKZ Plastic Manufacturing Corp ay laging nakakatanggap ng awards and it is known for its best quality of microwavable plastic food containers na perfect gamitin kapag nagbabaon ng pagkain sa office, mga travels, or baonan ng mga nakshis nyo. And dahil kick-off meeting natin sa SKZ, syempre kasama ko ang aming Cloud Transformation Stewards, the Oracle NetSuite team.
So hi Aubrey, congratulations for winning this account for Oracle NetSuite. So what can you say about SKZ Plastic Manufacturing now that we're here at their office?
So the SKB, and we're very cooperative in terms of the process that what we need to do, and very easy to talk. Then ngayon, as rolling na rin natin sa Direct, we will help them to automate their process para mapadali yung mga nila, sales process, manufacturing process, and then yan, end-to-end process.
Well, that's nice, Aubrey. So we're looking forward to make this partnership with SKZ Plastic Manufacturing Corp to be more successful and get stronger partner relationship, diba? So, paano? Let's start our kick-off na?
Start!
Let's go!
Kasama ko rin si Dane, my co-marketing teammate that hosted the kick-off program. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang marketing ritual namin na Will Origami and Pledge of Commitment. The official kick-off presentation naman was led of course by Miss Erica Guerra. Meanwhile, Miss Sally Shi from SKZ was indeed happy to partner with Direct.
Okay, we have many pointers regarding that. One of the major challenges we're facing right now is the data transparency and inventory management. So we want to improve our inventory management to help us be more transparent with our daily transactions, to help ease the burden of our finance team. So the operations, the accounting, and the sales will be more interconnected with each other. Most of the direct people are really nice. Miss Bree, she's really nice. Her customer services, her after sales is really accommodating. She would answer everything. Even I would call her in the middle of the night, like 9, she would answer. That's a really good motivation in a company. No? Other companies after ours, they don't really answer. But with Direct, they would answer everything. So that's very good. This kind of system is very professional. At the same time, it will take us time to adjust. But I think Direct can satisfy our needs regarding that. I would really recommend Direct to others. Number one, I saw the manufacturing. The manufacturing system, it's really good, it's really concise. No, that's one of the manufacturing industry should use. From manufacturing, from raw materials, how many raw materials we have been using, from transferring of finished goods to the warehouse, from dispatching. And for the sales channel, I saw the modules of the Direct from offline to online sales. You also have API integration for Shopee and Lazada, Facebook, Shopify, and also for the sales, the purchasing, and everything. It's really concise to the point to the accounting.
We at Direct congratulate SKZ Plastic Manufacturing Corp for choosing us as their Oracle NetSuite provider. I guess it's a wrap. This is again Sandra and that's it for today's Direct Tales. See you again on our next one. Bye! Wait, Dane, parang maganda silang food containers pang natin, pang nagbabaon tayo, especially pag tuwing lunch.
Oh yes.
Kailangan natin yan. At saka tingnan mo sila, dalawa si Aubrey tsaka si Naomi, bumibili na yata. Tara, bilhin. Check tayo, dali. Parang maganda to.
Ay, ito pang baon.
Interested in automating your business too? Reach our cloud transformation stewards at marketing@directcloudsolutions.com or dial 0927-234-1961. Or visit our website at www.directcloudsolutions.com.